Lieutenant General retired Abdul Qayyum Malik. Lieutenant General retired Abdul Qayyum Malik, Senator and President of All Pakistan Servicemen Society, has arrived here at Chakewal Press Club. He is received by all the office bearers of the press club in a very warm manner, respectful manner.
आज ये जो सारा सूरत हाल है इस्लामाबाद बिल्कुल ब्लॉक है, बिल्कुल किसी लम्हे बड़ी खबर आएगी तो अभी देखते हैं कि अच्छी खबर है या बीच में अभी सारा दरमियान में जो डेडलॉक है उसके बारे में भी आज लाइव अभी इधर गुफ्तगू करें।
General Abdul Qayyum, General retired Abdul Qayyum. He visited this place, Chakewal Press Club, and talked to the media. He was asked questions about the mediation effort by Pakistan between Iran and America. He responded in a very, articulated manner. He's a very learned person. And now he is leaving from the press club. Press Club Chakewal is being visited every now and then by the